Good morning. My name is Barnabas. Um, Today is Saturday, 27th of June. I'll be taking us on trading recap for the week. How I got some of the entries and the trade I traded for the week. This is EURCAD. So first of all, I have to know my directional bias. Come to daily. This is daily time frame. I'll put it this way. If you notice in this chart, you will realize that this chart is on uptrend from this zone to this zone. So sorry, I was using another indicator. To this zone. This is a pure uptrend. From this zone, you see a series of higher highs and higher lows. Then it got to this high. Market started consolidating. This is on daily time frame, mind you. This is a daily time frame. So if you notice a consolidation at this point, higher highs and higher lows, higher highs, and just a consolidation. Then price broke the resistance zone and then pull up to this other block, which is this. Pull up to the other block, to this other block now, but sold from there, then break down to this zone. So on a daily time frame, this other block now was never mitigated, and is the other block that instigates the breakdown of this market from this zone to this zone. So I have to wait for the market to give me what we call engineer liquidity. So the engineer liquidity, if you notice, it created in liquidity here, then pull down, came up again, pull down, then before it came to tap this zone, tap it. Do you get? So I want to go down to 4 hour. This is 4 hour. When market was approaching the zone, if you notice, I set an alarm, an alert. So on 4 hour, market hit the zone. I didn't enter immediately. What do I do? I scale down to a lower time frame. This is a lower time frame, 1 hour. If you see this other block, market didn't tap this OB very well. Do you get? So market has to come back, tap it, and go down. So this is the OB I use for the 1 hour time frame. If you see, let me take it down. I understand this. Take it personal. So what I used was 15 minutes. So I used 15 minutes order block. If you go to 30 minutes, you see that it's a complete order block in the 30 minutes zone. So there's an order block in the 30 minutes. Then if you notice, this particular candle here now broke structures here. Change of character, showing that market has changed the direction. Then gave you also an inducement here, which has mitigated this zone now. Then before it came to trigger it, then this is 1:6 that I took on it. The market pulled back again before coming down. Then I realized that market is still selling. That is when I got this OB on this zone or 30-minute zone time frame. So 30 minutes time frame. The OB was on 30 minutes time frame. So that is the reason why I entered this trade. Then I have to go off. This is 1:7. So when the trade was here around this zone, I have to go off because it was already weekend and it's Friday. So that was how I got my entry on that particular zone. Next is USD CHF, and this EURCAD. Okay, let me say this. This EURCAD is still selling. I was expecting it to reach this zone before it pull back. This zone that I marked out here. I was expecting it to pull back before reaching any, before going back to this zone and probably sell down more because it is bearish at this moment. So this is USD CHF. I can't say I wanted to say this is my favorite pair, but it's not at the moment because this pair has shown me a lot of losses, and I had those losses due to I'm going to call this video and continue from the second part. Thank you.